Are on a trial run, but the plan calls for another solar market next week. As for the sun, expect more of that tomorrow. Here's Travis Christie.
Yeah, I don't think they had any problem with the sunshine, that is for sure. Today's highs, check this out, 99 in Santa Fe. That's the warmest we've ever seen in the capital. 100 in Albuquerque, the earliest we've ever seen 100 degrees, by the way. And 109 in Roswell. And how about this? Officially 110 in Carlsbad, which does tie your record. 106 in Hobbs and Clovis 100. So we'll see if we're done with these record highs. But 109 again in Roswell, the record. The old one was 106, Socorro 104, 100. Of course, we shattered that record in 99 in Santa Fe. So needless to say, it's big time heat across the state. And we still have heat advisories posted for a good chunk of the state, including the Rio Grande Valley through 7 o'clock. And we'll keep a close watch on the situation there. Currently, though, numbers have dropped slightly in some locations. Of course, we're still in the upper 90s around Santa Fe, 100 in Albuquerque, still in the hundreds out around Tucumcari. We got to wait a couple more hours before we really start to see things cool off. And if you're waiting for that cooling trend, I have a little bit of good news for you. Tomorrow, we may take a little bit of the edge off of that heat. So, of course, we've got this big ridge of high pressure. The sinking air heats the atmosphere. That's what's producing these record highs. But we have a front that's already in Colorado that's going to start to dive into the eastern plains. It'll bring us a chance for some showers and also shave a few degrees off those afternoon highs tomorrow afternoon and into Monday as well, creating that afternoon breeze or the evening breeze into Albuquerque, that East Canyon wind. So with the cold front moving on in, we'll start to tap in a little bit of moisture from the east, and areas to watch for shower development tomorrow afternoon will be out around Las Vegas, the Sangre de Cristos, and a lot of this could potentially be in the form of dry thunderstorms. And when you talk about dry thunderstorms, we're talking about thunderstorms that produce less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. So this is going to potentially be kind of hazardous as far as sparking wildfires. Hopefully that's not the case. But again, we do have that chance for showers through the evening hours. And then into Monday, we'll see some showers popping up pretty much across the state with the addition of that moisture. So let's take you region by region tomorrow. We'll see afternoon highs into the hundreds again, upper 90s in many locations. Meanwhile, there's your 7-day forecast. Definitely going to be hot in the next couple of days. And we wouldn't be surprised to see a spot shower or two. As far as what you'll see in the southwest, overnight tonight will be in the 40s and 50s. Highs tomorrow will be in the 90s and 100s. How about 107s in Las Cruces and Deming? For the southeast, overnight tonight, cool 50s and 60s. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees and even exceeding that. But notice, not right quite as hot. Yeah, 110 down in Carlsbad. We're expecting 104 tomorrow, so we'll shave a few degrees off those afternoon highs. But still tomorrow, we'll be on the record watch in Roswell, 103, then we'll shave down, or at least drop down in the 90s by Monday. For the northeast, overnight tonight will be cool. Highs tomorrow in the 80s and 90s, so slightly cooler than what we saw this afternoon. And the northern mountains, same deal here. Looks like tomorrow will be hot again, but not quite as hot. Mid-90s expected for Santa Fe. Highs will be in the 70s around Red River and back towards Eagle Nest as well. For Santa Fe, there's your 7-day forecast. Mid-90s for the next couple of days. We're back up the upper 90s by Tuesday. And in the East Mountains, overnight tonight will be cool. Highs tomorrow in the 80s and 90s, and lots of sunshine. As far as what you'll see in the metro, yes, it's going to be another hot one with a bunch of 101s, even a few hundreds out there. But we cool off slightly into Monday, and we'll go on that downward trend towards the end of the week.
Well, next week looks beautiful. Thanks, Travis.